Hi guys! In today's video, I will going to show you how to add image on Davinci Resolve 17. When you are on your video timeline and you want to add a picture, go to File and then select Import. Then choose Media. You can select any image. For example, this image right here. Now drag it to the video timeline. You can place it wherever you want. You can also expand the duration of the image by clicking and dragging to match the video. At the upper right corner of the screen, click Inspector. If you want to change the position, click here. You can click Zoom to make it smaller or bigger. So with this inspector right here, you can transform, you can crop, you can change the image. And that is how to add image on DaVinci Resolve 17. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe.